Hi, my name is Tracy. I started this Financial Nirvana Mama YouTube channel because I want to help as many people as possible. People like you who want to learn to invest in stock, real estate, so you build more passive income so that you can design and live your ideal life. I love dancing. I love tiramisu. I also love sharing my investing and financial knowledge. So basically, I'm a financial and investing nerd. They don't teach you this in school. I've been investing in stocks and real estate for a very long time. I bought my first stock when I was 20 years old. I also bought rental properties when I was 26 years old and bought and sold many properties, about 14 properties over a 14-year period. 35 years old, I had a career crisis and abruptly quit my engineering job in the government, and it was the best decision ever. So every week I'll be uploading a video for you about stock investing, real estate investing, entrepreneurship. So if you are driven, you're ambitious, you're a hustler, or you're an action taker, this channel is for you. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, the bell notification button, so that you get the latest and greatest videos coming to you.